Okay guys, there's this brand new niche exploding on YouTube right now, and creators are pulling in tens of thousands of dollars every single month, and literally no one is talking about it. So last week I was scrolling through YouTube when I stumbled upon this video. And as I was watching, I thought, what? I thought this was real. And then I clicked on the second video, and only after 10 minutes did I realize it was generated completely with AI. I came across dozens of channels doing this, and the numbers are insane. Check this out, a channel called Life at -71 degrees Celsius. It started just 2 months ago, and it's already blowing up with 16,000 subscribers and making well over $11,000 a month. Their most popular video is sitting at 1.8 million views, and it's still climbing like crazy. Like, bro, people are obsessed with this stuff. But here's the thing, these videos aren't made with some fancy secret tool. They're created using a simple formula that anyone, literally anyone, can copy. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. And here's the crazy part, because this topic attracts tons of viewers, a whole new niche has exploded. In just the past few weeks, more channels have started copying this exact strategy, and they're all pulling in crazy numbers. Like this channel, Frozen Towns. It started only 3 weeks ago, and it's already monetized with just 11 videos. Their most popular video is sitting at more than 200,000 views. In this video, I'm gonna expose their exact secret blueprint and show you how to copy it step by step. Now, to show you the proof, here's a quick clip of the video I was able to create using the exact strategy I'm about to show you.
Imagine stepping outside and your eyelashes freeze before you can blink. The air burns. Every breath feels like knives in your chest. This isn't Antarctica. This is Yakutia, the coldest place on Earth where people still live. And right now, one man is still here, completely alone. His name is Mikhail. He's the last person left in a frozen village that used to be full of life. Everyone else moved away years ago, but he stayed, not because he had to, but because this land is all he knows.
And to make things super easy, I've put together a step-by-step blueprint in a Google Doc that will walk you through everything. You'll find the link in the description and in my Telegram channel. Before I show you how to create these videos, we first have to understand why this niche is blowing up. First off, this niche is insane. It's about life at -71 degrees Celsius. Like, that's a temperature most people can't even imagine. It's so extreme, it almost feels like a science fiction movie. That's what makes the thumbnails and titles impossible to ignore. People have to click just to see how anyone survives that. And here's the best part. In a world full of fake AI-generated content, this style of video hits differently. It feels raw, unscripted, almost uncomfortably real. The sound design, the atmosphere, the tiny, imperfect details, they lock your attention in place and make you watch all the way to the final second without even realizing it. For that reason, I've spent the whole week reverse engineering their entire process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to copy their strategy for free. From finding viral titles, writing the script, generating the images, all the way to the most difficult part, generating consistent videos with sound effects and editing them all together. So hit that like button real quick and let's get into it. All right, the first thing we need is to generate video titles. As you can see, this channel uses hooking titles that you can't skip. For this, you're gonna need a proper structured prompt, and luckily, Saidox already prepared it for you. The link to that prompt document is in the description. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will instantly generate a list of viral titles. All right, now we've got the titles, we need the script. Of course, you don't need to be a writer. I've already prepared a prompt for it. Again, go to my Google Doc, and below the generating the script step, you'll need to paste the title. So just copy your favorite title from this list and paste it here. Then copy and paste the whole prompt into ChatGPT. And guys, this is not some random prompt. I've spent a lot of time engineering this prompt to do something very specific, which I'll show you in a second. So if you appreciate the work, support this by liking the video and commenting more AI videos below to create more videos like this. Okay, as you can see, I specifically asked ChatGPT to give us a prompt description of the main character. This is the most important part of the entire process. If your character's face keeps changing every scene, your viewers instantly know it's AI, and they'll click off in seconds. So we need to make sure the character stays consistent from start to finish. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to lock that in later in this video. As you can see, besides the voiceover, I also told it to generate visual prompts for us. That way, you don't have to stress about writing a ton of prompts yourself later. Alright, now that's set up, let's jump straight into the voiceover. You can use any voiceover generator you like, but I recommend either 11 Labs or DupDup. For this video, I'll go with 11 Labs. But before that, open a Google Doc and copy all the scene narrations and paste them one by one. Then head over to 11 Labs, sign up if you haven't already, and once you're there, go to Voices, and you can either design your voice or choose one from the library. For this demo, I'll go with a super clean, realistic voice called Jonathan Livingston. After you choose your voice, go to text-to-speech and make sure your settings match mine. Then paste your full script. After that, click Generate, give it a quick listen, and once it sounds good, download it. Now we've got the voiceover. It's time to generate the visuals. I tested a bunch of AI image generators, but the one that gave the most realistic results was Pipit AI. What makes it special is that it combines Nano Banana in its image generation. And the best part? It's 100% free. Here's what to do. After you click the link in the description, sign up with your Google account. Then go to the Image Studio, then look for AI Design, which supports the Nano Banana model. But don't rush yet to generate the scene images. Remember what I said about the character? This is where we solve that problem. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the character description prompt first. Paste it here, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. As you can see, it gives ridiculously realistic images. Choose one you like and download it. Now we have our character reference. So copy the first scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. And here's the trick. Click this icon here and upload the character reference we just generated. Then click Generate. As you can see, it looks so good. It keeps the same style and the exact same character. So repeat this process for all the scenes. Go to ChatGPT, copy the second scene, and again, upload the character reference. Then click Generate. After you have generated all the images, download them all. Alright, now you've got a folder full of insane, realistic images. They look straight out of a National Geographic doc, right? But here's where 99% of people fail. How do you turn those still images into a realistic video with sound, motion, and no weird melting faces? That's the secret sauce no one's talking about on YouTube. But I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. If you've been paying attention, you've probably noticed these videos now have auto sound effects. And yeah, that's brand new. I tested pretty much every free and paid option out there, and I finally found the one they're all using. It's called VO 3.1, and it's next level. To try it yourself, just search Google Flow. Then click the first result and hit Create with Flow. Just a quick heads up though, this feature is only available with the Google AI Pro plan, and yep, it's a paid one. But here's the thing, I actually got access for 100% free. If you want to know how, drop VEO3 in the comments. If I see enough people asking, I'll drop a full tutorial on it. But if you don't want to wait and risk missing out, go watch my previous video. I already showed a free alternative that's just as powerful. Anyways, once you have this dashboard, click New Project. Choose Ingredient to Video. Then go to Settings and choose VO 3.1 Fast and 16:9. Now, click the plus icon, upload your first scene image, and paste its visual prompt from ChatGPT. Then hit Enter. Wait for a few seconds, and look at this. It's ridiculously realistic. So, repeat this process for all the images. Once that's done, we can move to editing. Alright, for editing, you can use CapCut. But here's the catch. CapCut isn't free anymore. You've got to pay around $11 a month, which honestly sucks if you're just starting out. But hey, you know I got you. There's a 100% legit way to use CapCut completely free. We're gonna use Pipit again. It's actually part of CapCut itself, and its video editor is totally free for now. So yeah, let's take advantage of it while it lasts. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to this page. Head to the Video Generator section, scroll down, and click on Video Editor. From there, you'll get access to the main CapCut dashboard. Now click the plus icon to import all your materials, the voiceover, and all the video clips. First, drag the voiceover into the timeline, then start dragging the videos one by one. listen to the voiceover and make sure each scene is synced. To make the transitions smoother, click on Elements, scroll down, and choose a smooth transition from these. Drag it between the first two clips. Now, instead of wasting time doing it one by one, hit Apply to All, and boom, it's done in seconds. And if you really want your video to pop, you've got to add captions. So just click on Caption, choose Auto Captions, and click Generate. Now, yeah, the default text looks kind of plain, so let's fix that. Click on Presets on the right. You'll see hundreds of styles and templates. Just pick one that fits your vibe. I'll go with this clean cinematic one, and I think that's pretty much all you need to do. But hold up, before we export, something's missing. Yeah, the music. And let's be real, this is where most people mess up. You either spend hours digging through YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay just to end up with tracks that sound meh. That's exactly why I did all the hard work for you. I've bundled hundreds of viral cinematic background tracks and sound effects that instantly make your videos feel premium and professional. And the best part? It's not just for this niche. I've handpicked music for almost every niche out there. And since so many of you asked for it, I made it crazy affordable. Just $1 for the first 500 people until December 31st, 2025. After that, it'll go back to its original price. So if you want your videos to actually sound viral, the link's in the description. All right, so now just pick a suitable track from the pack, upload it, and lower the volume a bit. And that's pretty much it, guys. Click Export, click Download, then choose Pip It without watermark. Choose 1080p for the resolution and download it.
Imagine stepping outside and your eyelashes freeze before you can blink. The air burns. Every breath feels like knives in your chest. This isn't Antarctica. This is Yakutia, the coldest place on Earth where people still live. And right now, one man is still here, completely alone. His name is Mikhail. He's the last person left in a frozen village that used to be full of life. Everyone else moved away years ago, but he stayed, not because he had to, but because this land is all he knows. At minus 71 degrees Celsius, fire isn't comfort, it's survival. If the flame dies, the cold takes over in seconds. He feeds it like it's alive, because out here, it's the only thing keeping him alive.
Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.